In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting one of your albums, or hitting Photos and holding one of your pictures. Either way, you need to click on those type of icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!